Hey home chefs! Are you ready to take your cooking to the next level? Whether you're a baking pro, a weeknight warrior, or just someone who loves experimenting in the kitchen, a convection oven can be a game changer. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 convection ovens of 2025, tested, ranked, and perfect for every kind of home cook. From crispy roasted veggies to perfectly baked cookies, these ovens will blow your mind. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which convection oven is perfect for you. Oh, and don't forget, all the product links are in the description below. Let's get cooking. Number 1. Brava Oven Starter Set. With a bit of resourcefulness, you can use the Brava to replace nearly every other cooking device in your home, and probably a few others you don't have. The smart oven has more than 7,000 different settings you can choose in its app, including toasting, air frying, slow cooking, and even zone modes to make up to 3 separate dishes at 3 separate temperatures at the exact same time. It takes all the guesswork out of cooking. You simply select the item you want to cook, and the Brava does the rest. This starter set adds custom-sized glass and metal cook trays to the oven itself, plus a temperature sensor that helps the built-in settings nail the doneness on meat and poultry. The problem is the price. The Brava is a serious investment that costs more than some full-sized ranges. Dimensions: 17.3 by 16.4 by 11.3 inches, weight, 55 pounds, power, 1,800 watts. Number 2. Cosori Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Air fryer toaster ovens are really the best of both worlds, if you want one appliance that can do both. The Cosori Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven gives you such a great bang for your buck, you might be surprised at all this little oven can do for its low price. We love the easy-to-read buttons and digital display, the simple navigation of the temperature and time gauges, and the 12 functions from convection baking and broiling to keeping homemade yogurt at the right temperature for fermentation. There's even a setting specifically for reheating last night's pizza. At this price, the Cosori is perfect for the casual cook or a more experienced enthusiast. That said, we wouldn't recommend leaving this within reach of little hands. It can get quite hot to the touch when in use. Dimensions: 16.3 by 16.9 by 15.5 inches, weight, 22 pounds, capacity, 26 quarts, power, 1,800 watts. Number 3. Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Fry Oven. It's no secret that Ninja is one of the leaders in countertop appliances, and once you use this combination air fryer / toaster / convection oven, it's easy to see why. While still maintaining a compact footprint, this oven is spacious enough to fit an entire chicken, or 2 separate racks of food. It heats up fast and cooks incredibly evenly. The only downside is that it's tough to clean. The runners that the racks fit into can get greasy or covered in baked-on food, and a lot of elbow grease is necessary to scrub out the inside of the oven. Dimensions: 17.09 by 20.22 by 13.34 inches, weight, 33.6 pounds, capacity, 22.2 quarts, power, 1,800 watts. Number 4. Toshiba Combo 8-in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven. Toshiba's machine can replace both microwave and convection oven, putting a range of common features into the same appliance. There's a popcorn button and a defrost setting along with air frying, broiling, and toasting. One of the best features is that it's programmable for multi-stage cooking, meaning you can transition from convection to broil or other combinations automatically. We also like the handy odor removal setting that helps get rid of pesky lingering food smells. This oven's price is quite reasonable, but we do have some qualms about its comparatively weak 1,000 watts of power. It may take longer to preheat, and to achieve good browning and crispness, than other models. It's also pretty heavy given its just about average size. Dimensions: 12.8 by 20 by 20.5 inches, weight, 40.8 pounds, capacity, 29.9 quarts, power, 1,000 watts. Number 5. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. What sets Breville's multifunctional smart oven apart from others on our list is the fan. Its ultra-powerful motor circulates the hot air evenly and efficiently to accelerate cooking from mere baking into convection and air frying. We included pizza pan, broiling pan, roasting tray, and air fryer basket help increase the value, but this is somewhat expensive for an air fryer, especially considering its small size. Dimensions: 18.9 by 15.9 by 10.9 inches, weight, 28.6 pounds, capacity, 23.9 quarts, power, 1,800 watts. And there you have it, the top 5 convection ovens of 2025. Which one are you adding to your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow home cooks, and subscribe for more amazing content like this. All the product links are waiting for you in the description, so go check them out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep cooking up those delicious meals.